welcome to this conference and a very warm welcome to the Sultanate of Oman. I wish you all a productive, insightful, and successful conference. Thank you. Shukran.
Thank you, Professor Elliott, for your inspiring words. We are privileged to have with us the chair of Oman Society of Engineers. May I now invite Engineer Fuad Al-Kindi to address the audience.
To start with, I would state that we did not liaise my note with professor's note, so I just discovered that many of what I'm going to say have already been said. So I was thinking an you all to this important conference hosted in the Sultanate of Oman. Our partnership in this conference reflects a strategic conviction that engineering is one of the fundamental pillars upon which nations build their future. In an era defined by rapid technological change, climate challenges, and economic transformation, engineering stands at the heart of innovation, resilience, and sustainable growth. The vision and mission of the Oman Society of Engineers focus on developing engineering capacity, elevating professional competence, and strengthening the quality of engineering outcomes. We believe that empowered engineers are essential to translating ideas into impact, policies into infrastructure, and strategies into lasting value for society. This belief aligns directly with Oman Vision 2040, which places human capital, knowledge-based industries, innovation, sustainability, and institutional excellence at the heart and the core of national development. Engineers play a critical role in achieving these ambitions, whether in infrastructure, energy transition, digital transformation, environment, or industrial advancement. This conference embodies that vision by providing a platform to exchange knowledge, challenge conventional thinking, and explore solutions that are not only technically sound, but socially responsible and future-oriented. Such dialogue is essential if we are to prepare our engineering profession for the demand of tomorrow. At the Oman Society of Engineers, we see our role as more than supporting professional activities. We see it as contributing to the formation of a future-ready engineering ecosystem, one that equips engineers with the skills, ethics, and global perspective needed to lead Oman confidently towards its 2040 aspirations. In closing, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Global College and to organizing body, scientific and technical committees, the speakers, partners, and all contributors who made this conference possible. I wish you an inspiring conference and outcomes that extend far beyond these halls. Thank you, and I wish you a very successful event.
Thank you, Engineer Fuad, for your valuable remarks and continued support. Ladies and gentlemen, this conference is honored by the gracious patronage of His Excellency Dr. Abdullah bin Ali Al-Amri, Chairman of the Environment Authority. May I kindly invite Dr. Abdullah Abbas, the Chairman of the Global College of Engineering and Technology, Professor Jeffrey Elliott, Steering Committee Chair, Dean of Global College of Engineering and Technology, to join us on stage to proceed with honoring His Excellency. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Dr. Abdullah. Thank you, Professor Elliott. We now officially commence the technical program of the International Conference on Sustainable Engineering and Digital Innovation 2026. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our first keynote speaker, Professor Simon C., Global Head of NVIDIA. Professor Simon is an expert in high-performance computing, AI machine learning, and applied mathematics. He leads major international and national initiatives. He also serves as a visiting professor and distinguished fellow at several universities across Asia and has published over 200 papers in his field. Professor Simon C. will be sharing his insights on cutting-edge developments in artificial intelligence and technology. Professor Simon C., welcome to the International Conference on Sustainable Engineering and Digital Innovation 2026.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the organizing committee, and everyone. I'm Simon C., and I come from a small little island called Singapore. Right now, I have the privilege and the honor of serving both in the commercials and also in the academic. Being 50% of my time working for NVIDIA and the other time working in academics and so forth. Because one of the reasons we want to do is do a lot of research collaborations. One of the challenges that we are facing today is actually climate change. The change of climate itself has affected many of us. Even a small little island like Singapore, we are affected in a very big way. Singapore, a country where you think that we have everything being planned out for the last 30 years, we have floodings, believe it or not. So climate change can cause a lot of problems. And we are entering in the times where we are seeing humongous change in the thing of climate itself. The amount of heat that generated right now, the amount of energy that generated right now has caused a lot of floodings, extreme weathers, typhoon, hurricanes, and so forth. And so much so that many of us, of the countries right now, have to invest quite a fair bit into tackling these problems. The climate change itself has causes extremes, and I say extremes like droughts, floods, and so forth. And not only that, it is that we have a population growth over the next couple of years. And this growth, together, we are going to be more industrial, and to make metaverse, AI is going to take up a lot of this amount of energy and so forth. The food security becomes also a major issue, as you would know.